Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I am back with another video, and today I'm here to share week 42 to hashtag Deck the Year, hosted by Penny over at Penny's Crafty Creation. I'll have her link down below and the hashtag in my title, so you can go and check out everybody that's participating. Everybody is just doing their own thing, which is so cool. And I, as you can see here, I took out some of my Halloween scraps that I have in my little scrap bag, and I did a Halloween card since we're so close to Halloween. And then I dug into my Halloween box, and I pulled out some Dollar Tree, was it creepy webbing? I don't know, creepy cloth or something. So I pulled out the black one. These are spiders stickers. Oh my gosh, everything's sticking to each other. That is a different project. I don't know. I think this came from Target back in the day. I don't know. I found these in my stash, and then they're fuzzy. They're kind of fuzzy on. So I made it kind of like peeking and behind here and here. Oh, this one I covered the. This one you can still see that it is a playing card, but I did cover this one. I shouldn't have, but anyway. And then I found this pack of stickers that I wanted to use up, and I used this one that says things that go bump in the night. I thought that was creepy, and I don't create a lot of Halloween crafts anymore because my kids are a lot older. Because I used to do like for the class, I used to make these little treat boxes or Halloween treats and things like that, and now I just don't do it anymore. So I don't invest in any crafts, but I thought this was really cute. It's different, and I love the epoxy sticker. It just adds dimension. And then I inked all on the edges of the paper in black soot. Yeah, so it's kind of, I don't know. This paper is, gosh, it's old paper. I could definitely cut these out and make little embellishments. I mean, I could do that. But, I mean, I did have this, and I had some bats paper and, and so forth. So anyway, so that is week 42 for Deck the Year. I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.